Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Open invitation to virus covered ward of caution after crowding at tourist house in Uttarakhand, Himachal. The visuals of pupils trying COVID-19 protocol to the 19 popular tourist hubs like Nainital, Mussoorie and Manali have promoted the government to give stern warnings and remind us that the virus is still looming large and any laxity in taking precautions may have way for a third wave. During a press conference on Friday over the COVID 19 situation in India, Health Ministry Joint Secretary played videos of people forgetting COVID 19 protocol at tourist areas of Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, saying that this is nothing but an open invitation for the virus to come and infect. With COVID curve being relaxed and restrictions on movement being removed. More and more people are now heading out to tourist destinations like Nainital, Mussoorie, Manali, and Shimla to beat the heat of the plains. Concerning visuals have surfaced from these places of people overcrowding markets and tourist spots, even as the fear of a possible third wave hitting the country is very much alive. Giving a word of caution on this, Niti Aayog member Health Dr. V.K. Paul during the press conference said we cannot lower our guard. A new risk is being seen at tourist spot where a gathering of crowds being seen. Social distancing and mask protocol is not being followed. This is serious cause of concern. India reports 42,766 fresh COVID-19 cases in last 24 hours. Active cases now at 4.55 lakh. India reported 42,766 fresh COVID-19 cases and 1,206 deaths in 24 hours on Saturday. The country active case load now stands at 4,55,033. The current active cases constitute 1.48% of the cumulative COVID-19 cases in India. Active cases declined by 3,694 in the last 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, 45,254 patients also recovered from COVID-19. The cumulative number of COVID recoveries so far is nearing the 3 crore mark at 299,333,538. The recovery rate has risen to 97.2%. These 5 states are responsible for 73.52% of the new cases. More than 30% of the cases are from Kerala alone. The daily positivity rate in India is 2.90%. It has been less than 3% for 19 consecutive days now. Under the national-wide vaccination drive, 37.21 crore vaccine doses have been administered so far. In the last 24 hours alone, 30,55,802 vaccine doses were given. How Richard Branson will ride own rocket to space. Virgin Galactic will become the first rocket company to launch the boss with Richard Branson straps into one of his sleek, shiny space planes this weekend. The self-described time-loathing adventurer and travel maker will join flight company employees for Sunday's test flight from New Mexico southern desert, the company's fourth trip to the edge of space. Branson assigned himself to Virgin Galactic's first full-scale crew, jumping ahead of Blue Origin Jeff Bezos, and even Richard Rocketer looking to launch himself into space. Bezos' liftoff is set for July 20 from West Texas. A brief look at Branson, Wright and company. Just a week shy of turning 71, the London-born founder of Virgin Group says he is not apprehensive at all, and it is a dream of a lifetime to ride into space. The longtime fitness fanatic put in extra effort to prepare for the brief up and down flight. I am in my 70s now, so you either let yourself go or you get fit and enjoy life. After researching nearly 50,000 feet, 15,000, the plane will be released and dropped for a moment or two before its rocket motor ignites to send the craft on a steep climb towards space, exceeding 3 gs, or 3 times the force of the Earth's gravity. After Branson launched Virgin Galactic planes 2 more test flights this summer and fall before the inviting paying customers on board. The company plans to reopen reservations once Branson soars. Initial tickets went for $20 to $50,000 on no word on whether that will change. Branson promises a surprise after his ride to give more people the chance to become an astronaut because space belongs to us. In the meantime, scientists are lining up for research rides. Including Southwest Research Institute's Alan Stern, who was behind NASA's New Horizons mission to Pluto and beyond. England vs. Indian Women First T20. Indians Harlan Deol takes a jaw-dropping catch to dismiss England's Amy Jones. One of the most incredible revolutions in the game of the cricket over the years has been the fielding effort seen on the boundary lines in the stadium. Around the world, relay catches, once seen as jaw-dropping incidents, are fairly commonplace now. In the first T20 India against England, Indians Harlan Deol pulled off a stunner to dismiss Amy Jones, and it will go down as one of the greatest catches of all time. Harlan Deol was fielding at long off when Amy Jones lofted one towards her in the 19th over of the innings. The Indian then pulled off a brilliant effort. Amy Jones was batting on 43 of 26 balls when she hit Shikha Pandey towards wide long off. It looked like the ball would fall beyond the boundary, but Harlan displayed a great presence of mind and grabbed a sensation catch. Shikha Pandey, the pick of the Indian bowler on Friday, says, "From now on, we shall call this type of catch as Harlan catch. Not the result we wanted, but we play for moments like this. Decided from now on, we shall call this type of catch as Harlan catch. You beauty, Harlan Deol, defying gravity," she wrote on Twitter. In the same over, before Harlan Deol's catch to dismiss Amy Jones, captain Harmanpreet Kaur had come up with a brilliant effort at long on to dismiss Nat Sciver. Former England men's team skipper Nasser Hussain too heaped praise on Harlan. He said, "Seriously, what a catch, brilliant from Deol." There are lots of tweets who tweeted for the Harlan Deol. Harlan's effort was also praised by the player of the match, Nat Sciver. She said, "It's brilliant. We don't see many of those catches in the women's game. We see quite a few of those in the men's game. But hopefully this can be the start of a few more that we see in our game. I would love to have one of this. That's what you practice for. You have a little go at the end of the session or whatever it is, but it is." Amy Jones by Harlan Deol was a brilliant catch.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.